Check. 1, 2, 3.
At NAPA Auto Parts, Nathan works here. He told me to film now. I guess he wants the spotlight now, I guess. I don't know. Actually, let me show you here.
We're gonna work on the taillights today, although I kind of like how it looks still.
But we're gonna attempt to buff them out.
I have no idea what I'm doing, and I've never buffed anything out before, but we are gonna give it a shot with some NAPA Auto Parts. How are you doing, NAPA man?
Good.
Yeah? Are you gonna take me shopping?
Are you gonna take me shopping?
Yeah, I'm gonna take you shopping. What do you
Okay,
like for
let's
some
go
blinker fluid?
I don't know. What you told me we're gonna get.
Alright, we're fixing your taillights.
We're gonna attempt to fix them or buff them. I don't know if we call it fixing them. We could be ruining them.
Tell you what, this shit right here, Jim. Look, it's got a Porsche headlight on it. It's got to be legit. So you hook it up to the drill, and then it's got fine grit, wet sanding, and then finer grit, and then a polish pad, and then the polish is in here. So you just, that'll make them look brand new.
You don't even know we need like a stripper. We might need to strip it.
No, this will do it. It's got a sanding pad on it.
Are you sure? Yeah. All right, dude. That night shit's supposed to be
Pretty gnarly. I think you guys sell it here too, don't you?
Yeah, it's over there in the counter.
It's hard to find before.
Got some chrome wheel paint.
Well, we're gonna attempt to buff it out. I don't know if it's gonna work. We got that nightshade on there, so I don't know. We're gonna give it a shot.
Okay, we have this here. Well, it's made by 3M, so it must be pretty decent.
Headlight restoration system. They show a Porsche on the front looking like
Crap, and then they show it looking really nice.
so we'll see what it can do for the Subaru. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Comes with polish too.
Probably run out of that.
So hoping that we don't ruin these taillights.
These are actually from my 14 WRX that I had last. For you OGs out there, forget why I took them off because they're already painted. I didn't want to do it again with the ones that I got with this car, so I swapped those over. Perfect spot, and it's like one of the last things that I have from that old car, so I really don't want to mess these up, and they're probably expensive as well. So let's hope that this 3M and Nathan and myself can get this done right. The block off plate is really doing this job too. Where is it? Yeah. Across the street? So look at this.
Remember how bad they were?
I think so. It was nighttime though.
They were fucking yellow.
We're gonna go see how good Nathan is at buffing out his headlights. So that way he can build confidence in what we're doing.
Fine.
They look brand new.
Well, if you said it's stuck, I know you did it right.
And at least this product worked, I guess.
We'll find out.
Look at them. They look fucking brand new. They were so yellow.
They don't look brand new.
Yes, they do.
They look used.
Nah, they look brand new.
They look better.
I didn't clear coat them. That's why.
Well, we better do a better job than that. Everybody can see our Easter egg buy.
You still have the same plans, right? Good?
Yeah.
Was it 90 what?
For 2000.
For 2000?
Yeah.
Ready to be boosted.
Nathan's letting his Honda warm up. We're gonna go get the Subaru and get ready to head over to his house. Get stuff started.
Started with this poor taillight car.
I honestly, like, I'm pretty skeptical on trying to get this stuff off
And having it look like this. I hope we don't fuck anything up. And I hope it comes out looking good. You have like the sketchiest driveway.
That's not bad.
To try and pull in. Yeah, right.
I'm all pissed off and I try and leave. When I pull
Middle
in
Street
right
back up.
When I pull in right here, cars will like get all pissed off behind me. Cause like they think I'm like just being an asshole or something.
I honestly don't know how good this is gonna turn out, so we're gonna try. Where did it go? We're gonna take one of these off and do a test hit. See if we can't get it looking stock-ish.
I'll make it look good.
We're gonna test one, and we'll go from there. I took this off like 3 times. I can't remember how to do it. Should just pull off. Watch now, young lad.
All right.
That's what we did wrong. 1, 2. Ow! My side is already off. Come on. Come on. There you go. Boom.
There she is.
See, I knew it's been a while. I'm just rusty at it.
Oh yeah.
And then there should be like 1 or 2 bolts in there.
There's 1.
Oh shit, there's no light here.
It's an 8. Fix me. There's a bolt.
There you go. Bam. That was easy.
Let's make this bitch pretty.
Nathan decided it was a good idea to crack a joke. He wanted to wash it. And then Mr. Taillight fell on the floor. Get it 3D.
Marley. Hey dude. It's okay.
Show them what you did.
God damn it.
Marley, your dad's an idiot.
Whatever. It's one tail light. Fuck it. We're gonna test it. That's what we're here for. We're gonna see if we can use NAPA parts and fix a tail light. Not fix it. Just clean off the VHT.
Yeah, well, get a little water in there maybe one time when it rains.
It might last a couple rainy seasons.
Full RTD.
We know who's buying another tail light.
Me? Oh, look, got more
Dude,
stuff.
you're just messing everything up today.
I actually had 2 monsters today, so I'm a little jittery. I was tired.
Horrible decision making.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let it fucking rip. It's already fucked up.
I'm just gonna compile my parts that are shit from.
Look at that, takes it right off. Like I know what I'm talking about.
From NAPA, dude. Coming out pretty nice. Almost got all the VHT off. Move on to the next step. We already went through a pad.
One pad.
We're on the second pad. So you burn through these if you're gonna try and do that. This is pretty heavy duty paint, so I don't know. You might be able to make it through a kit with this. So you might be able to get some more pads.
We made it to the next grit sandpaper.
And it's looking like it should look.
That's not even polished.
We're down to the next.
That's fine grit.
Next
and I'm gonna wet sand it. So this one's just to get all the deep scratches out and smooth it out. And then the next one we'll wet sand with the clay. I don't have it on this one. That's for my other one that I use for the headlights for the Honda.
Oh, the NAPA. The NAPA gear. It's over here.
Now we'll wet sand and we'll hit it with the polish and we'll be done.
Done with one.
Bring this in here, so guys keep walking back and forth.
Now
It's pretty sunny in here.
What?
It's pretty sunny in here.
Off them again with this if you want. This stuff's really good for your car too.
I mean, I don't want to go too fancy with it because I'm not going to use that tail light. You know what I'm saying,
Yeah.
Nathan? You know?
We're now wet sanding it and listening to Nathan's drill die. And I know he doesn't have another battery probably.
So we're going to have like a super half-assed tail light.
Look at that shine already.
And broken.
Polish it.
Looks the same.
I know.
First pass. Not even polished it. Looks the same. Nathan found this guy in his house.
He said it's off a 05
Dude,
STI.
we get some
6-speed.
BMX action. I got my bike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You'll probably get like bad juju and break your fucking neck because you broke my shit, so you probably shouldn't do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, it's like camo green.
Yeah.
It's pretty dope. Now you can backflip it.
Yeah. It's not fun at all.
Backflipping?
Yeah.
I would think that it was a little scary.
That looks way better actually.
It looks OG. Looks real leather.
It probably feels better too.
Old versus older. Come on, camera. Focus. Right uphill.
That's alright.
Dunzo. That wasn't too bad though. It's almost ready for a buff.
Yeah. Alright, let's start fucking polishing this bitch.
You think you're savvy?
I don't know, it looks pretty damn good. I think I'd say so myself.
Put some polish.
Yeah, dude, let's go.
This is how you get it done.
Best part is this right here.
The buff.
Ooh! Ooh! Look at that. You doubted me, and I'm very upset that you doubted me.
Yeah, that's too bad you fucking broke it.
I'm sorry.
Right there, look. All this for nothing. Huh?
No one will even notice. That does look good though, huh? NAPA, no.
The guy that works at fucking NAPA broke my shit
But I cleaned it up. But it's his now. I told him he can hang it from his Christmas tree next year. It came up clean. We're kind of done, kind of not
Like
done.
90%.
The drill keeps running out of batteries, something I guess. Alright, show these boys what it used to look like.
All right, guys. Here we have a stock 2012 STI hatch, WRX hatch, actually, taillight from the factory. Here we have some Vato nightshade. It's all good though.
Vato nightshade.
Dude, there's so many farts at one time.
You guys can kind of see what it used to look like. It's not too bad for 15 bucks with tax.
Yeah, it's like 15.50.
You know, it's pretty solid.
Too bad it's the top side. I'll put some clear epoxy in it.
See if I can get a fucking thumbnail. Last round of polish.
There it is.
Dunzo. $15. Said and done.
Yeah. Rest in peace to the VHT.
Rest in peace, VHT and taillight. It's our shield.
Yeah. I thought it went all the way through. I guess it didn't.
Really stoked about how it came out, especially with $15 NAPA part package polish
I told you.
stuff.
It's 3M product. It's good
Yeah,
shit.
that's true.
Yeah.
Depends on the applicator.
I did
The
good.
guy that busts your shit and then makes it pretty. Anywho, well, it turned out nice. We're just getting it buttoned up here and we'll see what it looks like again. I'll do that picture.
Oh, come on, you little bitch. There it is.
Boom. Reverse light.
Yeah, button this thing back
These things
up.
are so bright.
Your headlights are bright as hell, dude.
Yeah.
When we left my work, I was a little blinded.
That is backwards as fuck.
Yeah, it's going this way.
That's the sunset.
And
I think it's like that. Yeah. What? You think is it? Okay, yeah. Dude, it's so weird. You gotta like do a McTwist on this.
let's talk about this real quick. What is this?
What?
When's the last time you watched this thing?
Dude, that's just from today. It's brake dust, bro.
Burning rubber.
14, I took them off so many times, this shit starts to rattle. So there's no
This.
pop pop.
Alright, hold on. Alright, let's see it. Before, half
Oh,
after.
you know what we didn't do?
What?
We didn't take out the rest of the polish.
I'm gonna clean it anyways. You wanna do it right now? You really wanna take apart that again?
Not really, but it looks like ghetto shit now. This boys, VHT
yeah.
nightshade, stock.
Only 75% more to do.
And only $15.35 out of your pocket.
Eat off my property!
I'm about out of here, Sparky.
Alright, dude.
Alright, we got one tail light done. I'll probably come back and
We'll get done
next
Tuesday.
week. Yeah, next week. This week? No, next week.
All the drill charts this time, ready to go.
Come back next week. We'll get that one finished up, and we'll do the other side, and we'll be back to stock at some point in time. I'll buy a new one. He'll reimburse me, or he'll buy one when he gets some fucking cash. Since he dropped my tail light, it's really fucking.
Your fuel pump is so fucking loud.
Wait, I don't hear it.
What do you mean you don't hear it?
Oh, that high ring? That's
yeah.
it.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out,
It's a
watch
dual
out.
pumper, bro.
Double pumper? Double penetrator?
Alright, I'm heading out. Say bye.
Later, dude.
We'll be back next week. Finish up those taillights.
I'll charge my drill this time.
Right, and then we'll do the WRX and stuff too. We got some stuff planned. We got some stuff coming. You guys got to hang in there. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Next week we're gonna finish up taillights, and then we got other things going on.